have an extra towel for you?
What if I use one? You have an extra can. I don't know why the hell I didn't bring one.
Very nice. How long you had it? Just...
He had it almost 2 years. He has another one in the hard top.
Oh yeah?
Thick.
I got a 70 Judge.
Yeah, his is.
It's very nice. These are pretty rare. Convertible 70s.
Convertible, and especially with factory air.
Oh wow, yeah,
Factory
convertible
air.
there. Yeah. Only thing would be more rare would be if it was a 4-speed, right?
Oh yeah, exactly. But yeah,
it's still very nice.
Myself,
Yeah,
I'll take
me
the
too.
automatic.
Yep, a lot easier.
Going in and out.
I got you, that's for sure. Thank you.